Let's take a look at the process of sawdust crushing and carbonization. First, we see the crusher connected to a storage bin, which serves as a storage unit and is very convenient to use. Next, this is the screw conveyor, which evenly transports the crushed sawdust into the rotary carbonization machine. Here is the secondary combustion chamber, which processes the combustible gases generated during the carbonization process and uses them as a heat source for carbonization, thereby achieving energy recovery. The flame burning status can be observed here. This is the PLC, which enables intelligent control of the machine. Finally, we can see the finished product after carbonization. If you are interested, feel free to contact me.